Hello, my name is Joe from Road Hero, and I'm going to run through with you the Road Hero spare wheel kit. Here you'll find the wheel bag. Open it up, you'll see the back of the Road Hero wheel. As part of the fitting kit, you'll see spigot ring on the back of the wheel. And then in this pouch, you'll find nuts or bolts, depending on your vehicle. This wheel bag is designed to be stored flat in the boot of the vehicle. We do not guarantee that it will fit in the spare wheel well. Here we have the Space Saver spare wheel, which features an alloy centre with a temporary use tyre. This is designed for 50 miles at 50 miles per hour. The larger profile of the sidewall enables us to run within 5% of your original rolling radius, while the alloy enables us to reduce the weight while allowing for big brake clearances as well. And with every Road Hero spare wheel kit includes a complimentary breakdown kit. Packed into this bag you'll find a high vis. We recommend putting this on first to ensure you're seen. Heavy duty gloves to protect your hands from wet or oily conditions. Warning triangle placed at least 147 feet away from the vehicle before carrying out any work. Adjustable wheel brace, which comes with 17 19-inch and 20 22-inch sockets. The wheel brace is also extendable for extra leverage. A foam kneeling mat to protect your knees and clothes when removing and fitting wheels. Our scissor jack, which is loaded to 2 tons, and it includes a ratchet handle, which will ensure you'll get back on the road quicker and easier. And depending on your vehicle, includes a flat jacking pad as well. Rain poncho to protect your clothes from dirt, grease and elements. Punctured wheel bag, protect your boot from dirt. And finally, a head torch to keep your hands free while doing any work in the dark.